Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Facebook pixel snippet on WordPress website or any other website. It's almost the same procedure. Facebook pixel, you can track different events like button click, add to cart, e-commerce tracking, payment made, or any other event you want to track like any file download, etc.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel, #SmartBrains, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.
Please sign into your Facebook Business Manager account. As I've shown you in my previous video, you can click on I icon on the right top or check my description for the link. From Business Manager on the left side, click on that 9 dots and select Business Setting. Scroll down and please select the pixel. If you can't find pixels, please click on data source and it will show you the pixels option and click on it. Now click the add button in the center of the page. Choose a suitable pixel name that describes your website or your business, and on the bottom, website address is optional, and then select continue. Now you will get 3 different options. First one is to add code using a partner integration. This is for Shopify and for Wix website. You can just select it and you need the pixel ID to paste over there. You can follow the simple instruction, but this is not my part of my tutorial today, but that's how you do. You click it, you select Shopify or Joomla or whatever you want from here, and you just keep going on and you can sort it out. There are different methods to install it on a WordPress website. First one is through a plugin, Facebook plugin, and now let's go to your WordPress admin, sign into your admin account and go to the plugin on the left side and select add new. In the search box, please enter Facebook pixel and it will give you the option. I have already installed it, so it's giving me an option to update it. Same way you will get the install option. You just click it, put your password and username, and it will install it. And don't forget to activate it. Now go to setting on the left side and you will see the Facebook pixel option at the bottom. Just click it. Here you will find this pixel ID place. You need to copy your pixel and paste it here. You will find the pixel ID in Facebook Business Manager in the pixel setting, and just copy it. And in WordPress website, just go over there and you can copy it in pixel ID just here, paste it, and don't forget to save it, and it will be activated. Keep the default setting as it is. Second method is through header and footer plugin. Basically we need to copy the pixel code in a header section. That's what we need to do, and the easiest way to do is install header and footer plugin. Just the same way, go into the plugin, add new, and write down header and footer and select this first option, install it and activate it. Same way, now you can go to the setting and you will see the insert header and footer option. Click on it, but this time we need the code, not the ID of the pixel. So if you click on the pixel into your Facebook Business Manager, you won't see any code. This is very tricky in Facebook, so I'm going to save you 1 hour at least, and I have a separate video for this as well. Just click on those 3 lines, go to Event Manager and make sure the data source is selected, and on the right side click on this link arrow and you will see add account is selected, but you need to select the business ID. So just select this one, Wowtech. Mine is Wowtech, whatever yours is. Now you can see Wowtech pixel here, so click on it and you will see continue pixel setup, because we haven't installed it through this method. So just click on it, and these are 2 methods, but use that manual one This is the partner one I told you for Shopify. This is manually one. Just click on it and you can copy the code. Just click copy code and go back to your WordPress admin. Cancel this one. In WordPress, click on the setting and click on insert header and footer. Now you will see a header on the top. This is a header section, and on you can just copy your Facebook pixel code here, and I have already copied, but I can show you. You can just paste it over there and save it. It will be installed. We can also check Facebook pixel code is working or not by installing an extension in Chrome called Facebook Helper, which I will make another video for this, and I will give the link. Now go to your Facebook Business Manager and click on these 9 dots and just scroll down, and you will see the analytics, Facebook analytics. Yes, click on it. After 24 hours you will start seeing the data here, like how many people are visiting your page and other events you're gonna set up in future, which I will make a separate video for that, for tracking, e-commerce tracking, everything. Hopefully this will help you, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and please ask me any question in the comments.